Improve your eyesight with these 10 amazing fruits. Hey everyone, we're so glad you're here. Welcome back to our channel. We've got something really exciting for you today. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to all of our hearts, our eyesight. It's something we often take for granted. Did you know that what you eat can have a big impact on your vision? Yes, your diet plays a crucial role. In this video, we're going to explore 10 amazing fruits that can help improve your eyesight. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. So, grab a snack and let's get started. You won't want to miss this. Before we jump into our list, let's talk about why fruits are so important for your eye health. Fruits are not just delicious. They are essential for maintaining good vision and overall eye health. Fruits are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that can help protect your eyes from damage. These nutrients play a crucial role in keeping your eyes healthy and functioning properly. They can reduce the risk of common eye diseases like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Regular consumption of fruits can significantly lower the chances of developing these conditions. So, let's see which fruits can do wonders for your vision. Stay tuned as we explore the best fruits for maintaining and improving your eye health. First up, we have carrots. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for good vision. Next, we have blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that can help protect your eyes from oxidative stress. Oranges are not just refreshing, they're also high in vitamin C. This vitamin helps reduce the risk of cataracts. Okay, we're sneaking in spinach here. It's packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help filter harmful blue light. Kiwi is another fantastic fruit. It contains vitamin C and E, both of which are beneficial for eye health. Papaya is rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C, making it great for maintaining healthy vision. Avocado is not only creamy and delicious, but also a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin. Grapefruit is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that can help improve eye health. Mangoes are sweet and packed with vitamin A, which is crucial for healthy vision. Finally, watermelon. It's hydrating and contains vitamins A, C, and antioxidants that help keep your eyes healthy. Now that you know these amazing fruits, how can you easily incorporate them into your diet? Here are a few quick ideas. Smoothies. Blend together your favorites for a delicious drink. Fruit salads. Toss them in a bowl for a refreshing snack. Snacks. Keep them handy for a quick and healthy treat. Thanks for joining me today. It was a pleasure to share this information with you. I hope you learned something new about how these fruits can help improve your eyesight. Remember, incorporating them into your diet can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Your support means a lot to me. And let me know in the comments which fruit you can't wait to try. I love reading your thoughts and suggestions. Until next time, take care of your eyes and eat well. Stay healthy and happy. See you soon.